Hello, students. Hello, parents. Today's class is about a story called Jadav and the Tree Place. Jadav is this. This is the tree place. A tree place is a forest or a jungle. Before we start reading, write down your answer to the question, why are forests good? जंगल अच्छे क्यों होते हैं? Why are forests good? That is your first question. Now let's start reading. Before we read, we look at the picture. In this picture, there is a bird, a squirrel, a monkey, trees, another bird, and Jadav. Jadav looks happy. He is smiling. Now let's read. This is Jadav, a tree planter. A tree planter is somebody who plants trees. जो पेड़ लगाते हैं. He loves tree places. Tree place मतलब जहाँ पे पेड़ हैं. Because they are full of life. Full of life means when there are lots and lots of plants and animals and birds around. No tree places make him terribly sad. No tree place matlab somewhere where there are no trees. They make him terribly sad because they are full of dead things. This is full of life. Many things are there. Many alive, living things are there. Dead things जब होंगे तब Jadav is going to be terribly sad. Now this page. Let's take a look. We have Jadav, we have birds, we have an empty sky, we have trees far away and a river, and we have sand. Years ago, Jadav was walking along the banks of the great Brahmaputra river when he arrived at a big, empty, no tree place. Now let's go to the difficult words. First of all, banks. Banks matlab kinara. Nadi ka kinara is a river bank. The great Brahmaputra river, Brahmaputra. This word is Brahmaputra. It is a river. River yani ki nadi in North India. When he arrived matlab pahucha. Big, empty means khali. So let's read the sentence again. Years ago, Jadav was walking along the banks of the great Brahmaputra river when he arrived at a big, empty, no tree place. It was dry and hot. The sand was powdery and striped. Okay? Dry and hot, powdery and striped. Take note of these words. Striped sand, how odd. Striped matlab when there are lines like this, ऐसे parallel lines जब रहते हैं, that is called stripes. Striped sand, how odd. Jadav went closer to take a better look. Oh, but they weren't stripes at all. The ground was covered in snakes. Last night's floods must have washed them ashore, Jadav thought. So we saw that इसके पहले वाले पेज में जो stripes है, वो stripes नहीं, वो snakes है. Okay? Last night's floods must have washed them ashore. There are two difficult words here. Flood यानी कि when a river overflows. River में बहुत सारा पानी जब आ जाता है and it spills over, वो land पे spill हो जाता है river. That is called a flood. Washed them ashore. Now remember, shore नहीं तो bank यानी कि किनारा. तो ये सारे snakes river के अंदर थे और जब river overflow हो गया तब वो लैंड पे आ गए. ओके, रिमेंबर, रिवर, लैंड, रिवर, लैंड. ओके. These snakes weren't slinking and slithering and swaying about like regular healthy snakes. ये snakes रेगुलर हेल्दी स्नेक्स की तरह ऐसे 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 नहीं मूव कर रहे थे. दे वर नॉट स्लिंकिंग, दे वर नॉट स्लिदरिंग, दे वर नॉट स्वेइंग. When Jadav walked among them, they didn't hiss or run away or try to bite him. जब जादव उनके बीच में से चल रहा था, तब ये स्नेक्स ने उनको काटा नहीं, उनके तरफ हिस नहीं किया, उनसे दूर भागने की कोशिश नहीं की. They just lay about like old ropes, tired and still. वो बस रस्सी की तरह वहां पे पड़े रहे. Poor snakes, they're dying from the heat. If only they had some shade to lie in. बेचारे स्नेक्स वो गर्मी से मर रहे हैं. अगर उनके पास कोई छांव होती तो फिर if only this no tree place had some trees in it. Now remember, there are no trees here. अगर tree नहीं है तो there is no shade. You cannot stand under a cool shade if there are no trees. So Jadav is thinking, if only this no tree place had some trees in it. Jadav couldn't bear to watch these snakes die. It made him so terribly sad that he sat down and began to cry. So he saw all of these snakes. He saw that they were more or less dead. Then he became terribly sad. Remember? No tree places make him terribly sad. He became terribly sad and then he started to cry. But he quickly came to his senses. No more crying. From now on, only trying. Remember what Nakul Bhaiya says? Try, but don't cry. So Jadav said to himself, he quickly came to his senses और उसने सोचा, no more crying, from now, only trying. He jumped up, ran back to his village, and began collecting all the bamboo shoots he could carry in his bag. Regular plants won't grow in the hot sand, but bamboo will. Bamboo is strong. जादव ने सोचा कि रेगुलर यानी कि सादे अपने ट्रीज जो होते हैं वो हॉट सैंड में नहीं उगेंगे, पर बैम्बू उगेगा. बैम्बू इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, सो इट विल ग्रो एंड इट विल सर्वाइव. सो जादव brought the shoots to the no tree place and started planting them everywhere. जादव ने बैम्बू के जो सैपलिंग्स या शूट्स थे वो नो ट्री प्लेस को ले आया. And he started planting them everywhere. वो हर जगह उनको प्लांट करने लगा. It was hard, hot work and it took years. इसके लिए सालों लग गए. The river grew thin one summer and flooded the next, sometimes bringing more sand and sometimes taking it away. एक साल नदी बहुत थिन हो गई, दूसरे साल वो भर आई. कभी कभी उसके साथ मोर सैंड आ जाता था, कभी कभी सैंड वो घट जाता था. हेवी रेन्स केम एंड वेंट. बहुत भारी बारिश आई और गई. बट जादव केप्ट ऑन प्लांटिंग. Alright, we're going to stop at this page. This is the last page we're reading today, so let's see. Let's first take a look at the picture. There are lots of ants, there are bamboo shoots, there is a caterpillar, there is a grasshopper, there is Jadav, and is he crying or is he smiling? Now let's think what has happened. Jadav has grown many bamboo shoots. Okay, उसने बहुत सारे bamboo shoots plant किए हैं. And now the bamboo shoots have friends. Okay. In time, the bamboo took root and began to grow. As it grew, it brought shade. Shade मतलब छाँव. And the shade brought insects. जब छाँव होगी तब insects होंगे. The insects burrowed into the ground. वो ground में dig करने लगे. And the earth below the bamboo trees began to change. जब insects जमीन में चले गए, तब जमीन बदल गई. The dry and white sand became rich and brown soil. Sand becomes soil, and the dead sand became living soil. Dry and white is dead sand, rich and brown is living soil. Now I'm sure you can guess कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, but first let's answer some questions before next week's class. Now that we're done reading this much of the story, let's answer some questions. Number 1, why are forests good? ये आपका पहला क्वेश्चन था. Number 2, who is Jadav? Jadav कौन है? Number 3, what makes Jadav happy? Jadav किस बारे में खुश होता है? What makes him sad? Jadav किस बात के बारे में sad हो जाता है? What did Jadav see on the banks of the Brahmaputra one day? एक दिन ब्रह्मपुत्र के किनारे जादव ने क्या देखा? Why did it make him sad? वो उसके बारे में उदास क्यों हो गया? उसके बारे में उदास होने के बाद What did Jadav do about it? He became sad, yes, and I want you to tell me why, but then also tell me what did Jadav do about it? उसने उसके बारे में क्या किया? जो जादव ने उसके बारे में किया, so Jadav saw something on the banks of the Brahmaputra, then he became sad, then he decided to do something about it. Was the thing that he did, जो उसने किया, उसका solution, क्या वो आसान था? Was it easy? Alright, next question. Did Jadav's efforts work? जादव ने जो कुछ मेहनत की, उसका फल आया क्या? How can you tell? आप कैसे कह सकते हो कि जादव के मेहनत का कुछ उपयोग हुआ, कुछ यूज था उसका? How can you tell means you can find out what happened after he did what he did. What did you learn about insects today? आपने insects के बारे में क्या जाना आज? And your last question is a thinking question. What do you think is going to be the moral of this story? So today I will be sending you this story and